Thank you very much for attending this talk. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about sensitivity analysis. Let me open this file. I should save it. Try. I should go and open it from there. Now I have the file. Let me delete these parts. So this is my payoff table. This is payoff of drill, which is 700 times 0.25 minus 100 times 0.75. And this is payoff of sale, which is 90 times 0.25 and 90 times 0.75. Here I type equal to max of these two. And that is my decision. Here I type equal to if this is equal to this, then I drill, otherwise I sell. And this is the gap between drill and sell. So I have this data. Now I'm going to create a data table to see what is the impact of change in probability of oil on my decision. Come here, I type 0.1. This is equal to output of drill. This is equal to output of sell. And this is my decision. Here. Equal to this second zero plus that 0.1 and lock it because you want to copy it down. And then you copy it down to this 0.1. This first number should be 1 to the right and 1 to the north of 0. It should be there. 1 to the right, 1 to the north, and the rest can be here. And what is typed there? Output of drill. What is typed here? Output of sell. What is typed here? The decision we make. Then I mark this part, data, what if analysis, data table, where you have typed your input in a row or in a column. It is in a column. And what is it? It is probability of success, probability of oil. Okay? And then all the decisions under all these probabilities are tabulated here. Now I go here, I mark this column, insert, linear graph serve the purpose better here. I click on linear graph, it will drop the output of drill under different probabilities, but here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't want that. Right click on the graph, select data, edit horizontal axis. Instead of 1, 2, 3, I want you to type these things. Okay. Okay. Then I come and mark this column. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. Now, my two alternatives are visually represented here, and I see the break-even point is around something between 20% and 30%, where I switch from sell to drill. Suppose we want to have it in a more detail over there. Instead of 0, I type 0.2, and instead of 0.1, I type 0.01. And now I see it is closer to 24. Now I can even type 0.23 and 0.001 to have it in more detail, and now I see that break-even point is around 23.7 to 23.8% probability of success. Let's go back to the original form. 0.1 equal to drill and quotation mark space versus dot space quotation mark and cell. Drill versus cell equal to, click on that one. Now this is the title of our table. I may want to change the fonts, and I may want to make this darker. Our graph is prepared. Let's go back to the original graph, open it again. Now let's do a two-dimensional data table. In one dimension, I want to have the probabilities as it was before. In the other one, the payoff of oil, which is now 800, I want to check it from 500 to 1500. So here, as usual, I go equal to 0 equal to this 0 plus that 0.1 and lock it and copy it down. For here, I type 500 and 100. This one equal to this 500, and this one equal to this second 500 plus that original 100. Lock it, enter. Copy to the right. Here, the decision, the real or cell. It should be at the intersection of horizontal and vertical numbers here. Then I marked data, what if analysis, data table. What is in the row? It is payoff. What is in the column? It is probability. Okay, and it is filled. In these situations, we sell. In other situations, we drill. If the probability is low or payoff is low, we sell. But in other situations, we drill. Now I can do something else. I can go here. Instead of clicking on drill, I can click on this one, which is the payoff. And then payoff is tabulated for me. I can mark this part of table, home, conditional formatting. I can go and click on this. Now it is painted for me from worst case to best case scenarios. Here are oil payoff, and here are probabilities. Thank you very much for attending this session. See you in my next talk on decision tree analysis.